the number one thing for your soul to survive on this earth is what is the food of the soul. Na kapag hindi nyo kinain na regular, mamamatay ang kaluluwa ninyo. Ano? The Eucharist. The devil will give you everything, lahat ng kasiyahan sa mga fellowship, as long as he removes the mass from your life. He removes the body and blood of Jesus from your life. At pangalawa, you will also be forced to remove your relationship or destroy your relationship with Our Lady. Kaya kapag mga kulto, sekta, unang-una binabanatan nila is Our Lady, yung ating mahal na ina. Because she is like the window that you can still go in para makapasok ka pa rin sa tahanan. So what the devil will do is he will trick you as a Catholic and say, mas masaya dito. Okay? Sasama ka ngayon sa mga born again, whatever, no? And your soul dies the moment you stop receiving Holy Communion. Okay? And especially kapag you treat Mama Mary, the Mother of God, in a sacrilegious manner.